If you are struggling to get more customers and conversions for your WooCommerce subscriptions website, you're in the right place. Today, we are going to dive deep into identifying and solving key technical issues that might be impacting your sales. One of the things that can really slow down your site is having too many plugins. Each plugin you install adds extra requests and processing time to your server. Imagine your website like a busy restaurant kitchen. The more orders or plugin requests you have, the longer it takes to serve each customer. So it's essential to keep your plugins to a minimum and only use the ones that are absolutely necessary. Regularly review your plugins and deactivate or delete the ones that you don't need. Slow sites are a major turnoff for a visitor. Imagine waiting forever for a page to load. It's frustrating, right? So what can you do? Start by using tools like Google Page Speed Insights or GTmetrix to check how fast or slow your site loads. Those tools will give you a detailed report and some suggestions on how you can speed things up. Next, let's talk about images. Large and optimized images can slow down your site. Use plugins like Smush or Short Pixel to compress your images. This way, they'll load faster but still look great. Then there's caching. Using plugins like WP Rocket can store versions of your pages so your server doesn't have to do the heavy lifting every time someone visits your site. Plus, it will only load the necessary style and script files. And don't forget about a CDN. A CDN can speed up your site by distributing your content across multiple servers around the world. So no matter where your visitors are, they'll get your content fast. With so many people browsing on their phones, your site needs to look and work perfectly on all devices. Make sure you're using a responsive theme that adjusts to different screen sizes. Test your site on various devices like phones, tablets, laptops, and so on. Tools like Browser Stack can help you see how your site looks on different screens. Also, make sure your buttons and links are easy to click on mobile and forms are easy to fill out. Also, avoid using annoying pop-ups that are really hard to close on a smaller screen. A complicated checkout can make customers abandon their carts, which is the last thing we want. Simplify your checkout process. Try to reduce the number of steps and make it as straightforward as possible. Allow guest checkout so people don't have to create an account if they don't want to. Also, remove any unnecessary fields that might be creating friction. For example, if you don't need a company name, get rid of that field. And of course, offer multiple payment options. People like having choices, so give them options like Stripe, PayPal, or Apple Pay. Finally, let's talk about hosting. A good hosting provider can make a huge difference in your site's performance. Think of it as the foundation of your house. If the foundation is weak, everything else will suffer. Choose a hosting provider that offers good performance, security, and support. I would recommend using cloud hosting like AWS, or if you want a managed WordPress solution, I would go with Cloudways. By improving your website speed, mobile responsiveness, and having a simple checkout process, you can significantly boost your sales and enhance the overall customer experience. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below with any questions or topic you'd like to be covered next.